Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to study about the differential calculus method, MOD, method of differentiation. First of all, we see the differential coefficient of standard functions. Now here d by dx constant. Now differentiation of derivative of constant term equal to 0, and constant term means numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on are constant. Alpha, beta, gamma, eta, theta, that are used. That is also constant. Pi also constant. A, B, C, D and so on are generally used as like constant, so that derivative of these are 0. It means that d by dx 5 equal to 0, d by dx 7 by 2, its derivative also equal to 0, d by dx alpha equal to 0, d by dx pi equal to 0, d by dx a is also constant, so that this is equal to 0. It means that here second जो है d by dx x के पावर n equal to nx, n comes here and subtract 1, n comes here, nx, n minus 1, where n is a natural number. It means that here x के पावर जो है, if you take x के पावर 5 d by dx, x के पावर 5 differentiate with respect to x, this comes here 5 and x के पावर 5 minus 1, this is equal to 5 x to the power 4. Differentiation of x to the power is 5 is equal to this. We can here written as d by dx x के पावर half. This can also be written as, this comes here half x to the power half minus 1. This can be written as half here, and this is equal to minus half, so that this comes equal to here x के power half, and this can be written as 1 by 2 root x, 2 square root of x. This is this. Now e के power x, differentiation of e के power x is equal to also e के power x. E के power x, it can be written as in other sense d by dx e के power x, and d by dx log x, differentiation of log x equal to 1 by x here, and d by dx log x base a equal to 1 by x log a base e, and d by dx a के power x, this can be written as a के power x log a. Now here d by dx log x, if base is log x base e, then its value will be 1 by x, and here d by dx log x base a, this can be written as in the logarithmic sense log x by dx log x by log a. Here log a is a constant quantity, it used. Now comes here 1 by log a d by dx log x base e, and 1 by log a into log x base e d by dx is equal to 1 by x, so that this can be written as 1 by x. Now this can be written as 1 by x log a, and सामान्य रूप से log x में बेस नहीं दिया रहता है तो e मानते हैं, लेकिन जो है जो log टेबल है उसमें जो है बेस 10 मान करके जो है दिया हुआ है। और if d by dx 5 के पावर x d by dx 5 के पावर x, a is a constant, 5 is a constant, this can be written as a के पावर x, and this quantity comes here 5 के पावर x, and log 5 के पावर x and log a and log 5. Now also can be written as d by dx 100 के पावर x. This is equal to, this comes 100 के पावर x into log 100. Now we write the next formula here. Now d by dx sin x, d by dx sin x, differentiation of this is cos x, and d by dx cos x, d by dx cos x, this is equal to minus sin x. Here in this case, anywhere if comes c, यदि जो है c आता है तो वह जो है c आने पर उसका चिन्ह जो है निगेटिव हो जाता है। c आने पर चिन्ह क्या होता है? निगेटिव होता है। d by dx tan x, d by dx tan x, differentiation of this is equal to sec square x sec square x. Here differentiation of d by dx sin x cos x tan x cot x, differentiation of this is cot x. It start from c, so that its value will be negative, and cot x sec square x minus cosec square x, differentiation of cot x equal to minus cosec square x. Now d by dx sec x, differentiation of sec x equal to sec x plus tan x, differentiation of sec x equal to sec x into tan x, d by dx cosec x. This is start from c, so that its value will be negative, and cosec x cot x, cosec x into cot x. Now in the inverse form here, dy dx sin inverse x dy dx sin inverse x equal to 1 by under root 1 minus x square and here d by dx cos inverse x parallel to this formula and start from C, so that minus 1 by under root 1 minus x square. Now d by dx tan inverse x d by dx tan inverse x equal to 1 by 1 plus x square 1 by 1 plus x square. Now d by dx d by dx cot inverse x, this is equal to with negative sign and parallel to this 1 plus x square 1 by 1 plus x square. Now d by dx sin inverse x cos inverse x tan inverse x cot inverse x sec inverse x. This is a sec inverse x. Now 1 by x under root x square minus 1 1 by x under root x square minus x and this is a sec x, so that d by dx cosec inverse x so that this will start from C, so its value will be negative sign with this minus 1 by x under root x square minus 1 x under root x square minus 1 here. And now we take some example with respect to this. Here now here differentiation of sin inverse x is equal to 1 by 1 minus x square, where x vary from minus 1 to 1. Cos inverse x is equal to minus 1 by under root 1 minus x square, x vary from minus 1 to 1. Tan inverse differentiation of tan inverse x is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square, x vary from minus infinity to plus infinity. d by dx cot inverse x is equal to c है, so that minus 1 by 1 plus x square, x vary from minus infinity to infinity. d by dx sec inverse x is equal to 1 by x and under root x square minus 1, where mod of x greater than 1 or the x vary from difference of the real numbers and close interval -1 and 1. Cosec inverse x equal to -1 by x under x square minus 1. Then rule of the differentiation. Now here rule for the differentiation by first principle, term by term differentiation, product rule, quotient rule, chain rule, differentiation of implicit functions, differentiation of inverse trigonometric functions, differentiation of a function in parametric form, logarithmic differentiation, higher derivative of a function, differentiation of a function given in the form of a determinant. Here in this case, differential calculus is the easy branch of the mathematics. यह बहुत आसान होता है, लेकिन इसमें जो है कुछ फंक्शंस इंटर्ड हो जाते हैं, जैसे एक्सपोनेंशियल फंक्शन है, लॉगरिथमिक है, डिटर्मिनेंट है, लॉग इसके इस ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक फंक्शन है या इनवर्स फंक्शन है, इसके आ जाने से जो है थोड़ा सा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड हो जाता है। तो हम लोग ये डिफरेंशिएशन का जो है कुछ रूल है, इस रूल को 1 by 1 करके अध्ययन करेंगे, एग्जाम्पल के साथ अध्ययन करेंगे जो है। और वहां पर यदि आपको जो है जहां भी एक्सपोनेंशियल होगा या लॉगरिथम होगा या इनवर्स होगा, उसके भी बारे में जो है साथ साथ कुछ एक्सप्लेन किया जाएगा। अब जो है फर्स्ट इधर दिया हुआ बाय फर्स्ट प्रिंसिपल लेट अस सपोज दैट y is a function of fx. Now small increment y delta y so that their function also increases delta x. Then the first derivative f dash x can be written as limit s tends to 0 fx plus h minus fx by h. And if you take the function f as in form of x के power n, then limit s tends to 0 f dash x is equal to limit s tends to 0 fx plus h and x plus h to the power n minus x के power fx and x के power n here by h. Now limit h tends to 0, x के पावर we take the common x here, तो x के पावर n बाहर निकल जाता है और h by x बचता है, तो x के पावर n here 1 plus h by x के पावर n and x के पावर n comes here, so that this is equal to 1. Now x के पावर n, expand this 1 plus x के पावर n is equal to 1 plus nh by x plus nh square by this, so that higher terms remove. And now 1 plus nh by x here minus 1 and 1 cancel, so that here only remain x के पावर n into nx by x, and this comes into h here nh in this case x के पावर n and here nh by x, and this into h, this and this cancel, so that x के पावर n into n by x. Here n comes here and this is power 1 remove here, so that nx के power n minus 1. Now first derivative of this is nx के power n minus 1 and x के power n का फर्स्ट डेरिवेटिव जो है nx के पावर n minus 1 होता है. अब नाउ सेकंड टर्म बाय टर्म हियर. नाउ सेकंड टर्म बाय टर्म डिफरेंशिएशन. नाउ टर्म बाय टर्म डिफरेंशिएशन. इफ y equal to ux, u is the function of x plus minus function gx and wx dot 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 and so on. Then dy by dx equal to d by dx ux plus minus d by dx vx d by dx wx is known as the term by term differentiation. We take the example first. If y equal to x square plus sin inverse x plus log x, then find dy by dx. Solution here. Y equal to x square plus sin inverse x plus log x basic. On differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx equal to d by dx x square plus d by dx sin inverse x plus d by dx log x base e here. Now x to the power 2 x के पावर n इक्वल टू x के पावर n d by dx इक्वल टू n x n minus 1. Similarly here 2 x के पावर 2 minus 1 any 1 that can be 2 minus 1 here plus sin inverse x d by dx equal to 1 by under root 1 minus x square plus d by dx log x d by dx log x this is equal to 1 by x. This is equal to 1 by x, so that this is equal to 1 by x. It means that this is equal to 2 minus 1 and 2x plus 1 by under root 1 minus x square plus 1 by x. This is our answer here. Now this is our answer here, and now we take the second question. Now here second problem 2. If y equal to x के पावर minus half plus log x base 5 plus sin x by cos x plus 2 के पावर x, then find dy by dx. Solution. Y equal to x के पावर minus half plus log x base 5 plus sin x divided by cos x plus 2 के पावर x. Now on this differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx, this is equal to here d by dx x के पावर minus half plus d by dx log x base 5 plus d by dx sin x by cos x equal to tan x plus d by dx 2 के पावर x here. Now differentiating d by dx here, d by dx x के पावर n इक्वल टू n x के पावर n minus 1, so that this can be written as minus half x के पावर minus half minus 1. Now this is equal to d by dx log x base a. This can be written as d by dx and log x base e divided by this can be written as log a base e, and this is a constant, so that comes here log a comes here. It can be written as 1 by log a base e into d by dx log x base e, and this is equal to 1 by log a base e into this is a 1 by x, so that this is equal to 1 by x log a. This is equal to 1 by x log a. Now in the similar sense, this is equal to x. This is equal to the differentiation of this is a here 5, so that 1 by x log 5. Differentiation of this is 1 by x log 5 and tan x का sec square x and 2 के power x here. Now 2 के power x here. This is equal to 2 के power x log 2, 2 के power x log 2. It means that here d by dx a के power x equal to a के power x log a के power x log a. This is a differentiation of a के power x. This is a constant a के power x log a. In the similar sense, this is 2 के power x and 2 के power x log 2, so that this is equal to n minus 1. This is equal to minus 1 by 2 x के power 2 1 जा 2 यानी minus 3 by 2 plus 1 by x log 5 plus sec square x plus 2 के power x log 2. Now here in this case 1 by 2, this is nx n minus 1 here, and this is minus half x to power minus 3 by 2. This is our answer. Now we see another rule. Now here differentiation of a function multiplied with a constant. Now let us suppose that if y is equal to k of x, then on differentiating we get dy by dx equal to k of dy by dx fx. For example, if y is equal to log x cube plus 3 sin inverse x plus kx square, then find dy by dx. Y is equal to log x cube plus 3 sin inverse x plus k x square. On differentiating we get dy by dx equal to d by dx log x cube plus d by dx 3 sin inverse x plus d by dx kx square. Now this can be written as log x के पावर n equal to n log f के पावर n equal to n log m, so that this can be written as d by dx 3 log x, and this comes here outside 3 d by dx sin inverse x, plus this is a constant, come here d by dx x square. Now this comes here, so that log x equal to 1. This comes here, log x equal to 1 by x plus 3 sin inverse x equal to 1 by under root 1 minus x square, and plus k x के पावर n x n minus 1, and this is equal to 2x, so that this is equal to 3 by x. Now this is equal to 3 by x plus 3 by under root 1 minus x square plus k into 2x. This is our answer. Now like, subscribe my videos and share with your friends. Thank you.